Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. We will now show you the retrofittable automatic mounting head for the TW X-36 from TWIN BUSCH. The automatic mounting head TW X-AMK facilitates tire removal enormously. A tire lever is no longer needed. Done. The tire is off the rim. Let's watch the process again in replay. Depending on the amount of practice, it takes only a few seconds to remove a standard tire from a rim after loosening the tire. The AMK is even more effective with run-flat tires, for which a lot of force is needed during their removal. In contrast to what was shown before, the lower tire bead can also be pushed out with the bead roller of the auxiliary arm.